dear kids, dear teachers, dear parents. Today we have taken a topic exclusively meant for preschoolers, and this is a topic exclusively meant for housewives and mothers. As you know, mothers play a pivotal, a vital role, an important role to build up children's career. So they can stimulate their mental abilities through different activities that they do at home. That's why we have developed a model that is called a home-based model for mothers and exclusively for housewives. Okay, so let's start. And this topic is pre-number concept. Pre-number concepts are required in mathematics. So, what are the pre-number concepts? The attributes we have mentioned here, we have taken 10 attributes, 10 measurable attributes. And in subsequent, when the child will learn mathematics, he or she, they have to learn that measurable attributes. And they have to use means numbers with their units. So to stimulate their mental abilities, that is cognitive abilities, we can means promote their skill through different activities, home-based activities. So let's start. First is size. This is the measurable attributes we have noted here. Size. And look at the figure. Big and small. The child will know or differentiate between big and small. So you can easily show a big chapati and small chapati. Okay. And when you cut vegetables, you can show a big papaya, a small papaya. And you can show a big dish and a small dish. And you can show a big pumpkin, small pumpkin. And you can also show a cow, a big animal, and a cat, a small animal. So big and small, they can differentiate from the object or from the fruits, vegetables, animals, household things to which they are exposed. So you can easily do it at home. So come to our second example, that is length. So length is a measurable attribute that's used in mathematics. So long and short. So two pre-number concepts. Now you can teach this actually long and short concept. You can actually stimulate them. You can sensitize them through different activities. So let me tell. So this is a drumstick. Means when you cut the drumstick, when you cut a drumstick, you cut a long one and a short one. Make them arrange horizontally. Okay, so this is a long drumstick, a short drumstick. The child can easily come there. Now you can see a long scale and a half, a short scale. And a long rope and a short rope. A long towel and a short towel. That is horizontal. And a long rope, a short rope. So you can easily teach your kids, teach your children to differentiate between long and short. So through your day-to-day activities. Next is quantity. So you see, quantity is also a measurable attribute. So more or less, the child will see the object at a glance. He can differentiate this contains more rice and this contains less rice. Okay. So you can show a basket containing onion full and another basket containing means few, not a few. So the child can easily distinguish that it contains more onion and this basket contains less onions. So more and less. At the dining table, you can compare the giving more rice and less rice to your sons and daughters, etc. So next pre-number concept that we have taken, that is height. The height is also measurable attribute. That is tall and short. So here is the long and short, tall and short. Same thing. You take two sticks and make it one vertical, that will be long stick, and this is a short stick. And we have taken an example, that is candle. That is a long candle, means a tall candle. Now position is, you see, vertical position, and a short candle. Okay. Similarly, the drumstick, you can actually position, that is vertical position, a long one and a short one. Okay. Then you can actually, your brother is tall, your son is tall, your daughter is means short. So you can compare between the children, your sons, your daughters, and any other human beings. Okay. And you can also compare coconut tree, a tall tree. Now you can compare a guava tree or mango tree, a short tree. Okay. So the tall and short is a very good concept. They can easily differentiate. Come to the next one, that is volume. This is another measurable attribute. Now we have taken two bricks. One is thicker, another is thinner. So you can see, you can actually show the books contain more volume, number of pages, more pages, and small but less volume, that is thinner. The book is thick and this book is thin. So another example you can see, someone is a fat person. So you can say he is thick, and another is slim, that is you can say thin. So you can actually show snake god. They are actually snake god of big volume and a smaller volume. So thickness, then you can show the stem of a tree, that is called trunk, that is thick, and another stem thin. You can compare in your garden, even outside. So whenever you cite examples, you please cite examples from animals, insects, birds, plants, fruits, vegetables, household appliances, etc. Come to the next one, weight. This is a measurable attribute. A child should be sensitized. A child should be able to differentiate the heavy and light. Now, a bucket containing full water, let the child lift it. And a bucket containing few water. Okay, so it is heavier and it is lighter. Okay, now you take one big pumpkin and another small pumpkin. Let the child weight it, lift it. So he can actually differentiate between heavy and light. So anything that is available at home which is heavier and another is lighter, you can compare. So come to the point number 7, that is area is another measurable attribute that is here is wide and narrow. Now we have taken the pattern of your sari design. Do you see? This is wide pattern and this is narrow pattern. And you can show a towel, wider towel and a narrow towel. That you can show. And if you consider, take them to your garden. You please bring one leaf of banana leaf. Now you see, this is wider. And leaf of a coconut or a grass or sugar cane. As you get, as it is available, you compare. It is wider and it is narrow. You can show the road which is wider and the approach road to your home that is narrow. The word is the road is wider and this road. That road is wider and this road is narrow. So you can compare at home through different activities. Okay. So now the distance. It is another measurable attribute that is used in mathematics, that is far and near. Now you see a candle, the distance from A is far. Okay, the candle distance from A is near. Now give an example that you are actually your neighbor's home. Your neighbor's home is far from your house, and that another neighbor is very close, means adjacent building close, that you can say the near. Then let actually two children stand near you, that is he is standing near you, and let another to stand at a distance. So he is far from me and he is near me. He or she is near me. So you can cite, you can show, you can present different examples from your activities, from your household activities, and whatever available in the surroundings, and to which the child is exposed. Then come to then another thing is 9, that is position. You see here actually one is standing at the top and here bottom. What is this? That is the staircase. In your building, the staircase, your son is standing here and another son is standing here. So now one is standing at the bottom, another at the top. So that measurement of height, that will be discussed in mathematics. Okay. So top and bottom you can show. You can show a ladder. In a ladder, the top and bottom. Okay. And in seesaw game, so top and bottom, this up and down, top and bottom you can show. So in the park, visiting the park, you can teach this concept. So come to the point number 10, that is quantity of liquid. Now full, half empty. The child will know the concept from the very beginning before going to school. Now you see a glass containing full water and milk at the gas maybe. Then this glass, second glass, it contains half water or milk. Now this glass is empty. It contains nothing. It has nothing. It contains nothing. So full, half and empty. So from perception, from visual perception, the child can identify full, half and empty. So these are the concepts based on child's perception. What the child visualizes in his or surroundings. And it is the duty of the teacher and mother to sharpen their sense organ so that what they visualizes they can apply and they can learn the pre-number concepts. So these concepts will be useful and helpful in learning mathematics when they join school. So after joining school, they will learn mathematics and these concepts will be very much useful for them. And in our next session, we shall discuss about the concept of seriation, means sequential and logical arrangements, and another concept is spatial concept relating to space. So these are two major concepts we shall discuss in our next class. Stay tuned, and if you like, you may subscribe our channel Mind Mapping, our handle at the rate MNMP2024, and please provide your feedback so that we can present different topics for benefit of your children, like for benefit of your. Thank you all for watching.